favorite song ni Mong Dreaming of You by Steven? Ah, nga naman.
It's kind of sketchy ang explanation ako, pero may point, may point. There is no specific person, like, personally, like, physically, pero in my mind, like, in a fictional world, there is someone in my real life. Okay na, dapat ibigay yung mga asawa, pero we're living now in this very young. I need to let that go. Those things of person that I love, that made by my imagination, noon pa na akong feeling. Please ulit. Gusto niyo ba siya?
Ah, okay.